Now we're going to be looking at what an abstract class is. So I can't think of a good example for this, so I'm just going to use the classic foo. So foo.php, and this is going to be a class, and it will contain one method, public function bar, and we're just going to return foobar. Now you may be thinking to yourselves, why is he teaching us this? We already know what this is. So if we include this, foo.php, instantiate it, foo equals new foo, foobar, and echo foobar, and we get foobar. I'm going to add abstract before that class definition here, and now we're going to get an error. Cannot instantiate an abstract class foo. And that's because any classes that are declared as abstract, we can't instantiate them. So the only thing that we can do is extend them. So if we create a new file and call this bar, so class bar extends foo, we'll add a new method, public function baz, and this will return cooks. So now if we require that file, and we say bar equals new bar, and echo bar baz, is that, oh yep, bar baz, we get cooks. And because this is extending foo, we can also access this method since it's being inherited. Now here's the interesting part. An abstract class is kind of like an interface because we can define abstract methods. So if we say abstract public function foobar and add a semicolon at the end of the line, just like in an interface, we're going to get an error. Class bar contains one abstract method and must therefore be declared abstract or implement the remaining methods foobar. And we've seen this before when we created our interface. So now what we can do is implement this method, public function foobar, and then we can return something like, I don't know, bar cooks. I didn't call it, what is it? Bar foobar. And we get our bar cooks. And this is what we call an abstract class. And the way I like to think about it is an interface in which we can define default implementations.